In this video, we'll be showing you exactly how you can delete a group on WhatsApp. Now, it is not that simple as you may think at first, because you can't delete a group if there are still people in it. You first have to get rid of everyone if you are the admin, and only then you will be given an option to delete a group. So here's exactly how you do that. Once you are in a group, what you want to do is go to the three dots in the top right, and then go into the group information page. Then scroll down until you see all the members, and then you can remove them from the group. You have to do that for every single member. Once everyone's deleted, you can then leave the group yourself, and once you do that, you then be given an option to delete the group entirely. So just tap on that, then confirm, and the group will be deleted. So, as you can see, it's pretty simple and it works pretty much the exact same way on both Android and iOS. Now let's go over how you do it in both the browser and desktop versions, where the process is pretty similar. Once again, tap on these three dots once you're in a chat, and then go into the group information page. Scroll down until you see a list of all the members, then click on the one you want to remove and remove them, and do that for every single one. Once you have done so, leave the group yourself, just like before, and then you'll be given the option to delete the group in the exact same menu. The process is pretty much the same on the desktop app version of WhatsApp. However, instead of clicking on the three dots, you click on the group's profile picture, which will be on the left hand side. So that's exactly how you can delete a group on WhatsApp. As you can see, you first have to get rid of everyone first, and only then you can do it. And naturally, you can only do all of that if you are the admin of the group. If you aren't, then you can't really remove people and delete the group afterwards. All you can do is just leave it yourself. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.